Hi, welcome back to another interesting video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make moi moi like a pro. So even if you're doing this for business or you're doing it for home use, this is a perfect recipe for you. And this is super affordable. I'll be telling you guys how much I got each of the things that I used in making this massive moi moi. Okay, the first thing I went ahead to select my beans, which I did off the camera. That is just getting off the dirt from the beans. Okay, next I'm going to soak my beans just like what you're seeing right now, and I soaked this and I left it for some minutes. Now this particular beans I'm using, I think it's called the potassium beans, and then a painter of these beans, one custard rubber of these beans is 5,000 naira, then half of it is 2,500 naira. I used what I use is not up to half, but it's almost half of the beans, like half painter of the beans. That's what I used. I didn't really measure this, but I know I got one painter of beans and then I just removed some from it. The one I have left is more than the one I collected. That's how I came to a conclusion that this is not up to half. Okay, so minutes later I checked on my beans and this is what I have. I'm going to wash off the peel, and this is just the process for washing off beans peel. And this particular bowl I'm using, is my base is now almost more than the bowl I'm using, so I'm just going to transfer it into something bigger and I'm going to wash off the peel off the camera. So after washing, this is what I have. I'll go ahead to blend this, and also I got tomato, I got tatashi, and I also got onions and crayfish. Okay, so I got my fresh tomato 500 naira, and then I got the onions 500 naira, and I also got crayfish 500 naira. I got tatashi 300 naira. And then one other thing that I added to my sauce or to the stew that we're using is this particular spice here. This is add me chicken. Okay, this is the only thing I added that is extra apart from your seasoning cube and salt. And also I got pepper. Yeah, I got pepper 500 naira as well. So guys, I went ahead to prepare my stew just the normal way you prepare stew. I did that off the camera, but it is just the normal way you prepare your stew. Okay, I love to make stew when I am doing moi moi, but if you are the type that love to do like blend everything together and just go ahead to cook, you can do that as well. But then for me, I like the taste of this particular type, like making your stew and then adding it to the beans. I love it that way. Now I'm going to just add in my stew, and then I'm going to mix, and I am going to add more water to this because it is actually thick. And then while adding water, I'll make sure I taste and then add more salt if necessary, and also more seasoning cube if necessary. So this is just on your, like, it all depends on your own taste. Okay, so there's no measurement for this. If you taste your stuff and you feel like you need to add salt, you add salt to it. If you taste it, you feel like you need to add seasoning cube, you add seasoning cube to it. Now it is time to wrap my moi moi. So I got this bag. They call it the Santana bag. I got this for 300 naira. This is like it's not the smallest size. The smallest size is 200 naira. This particular size is 300 naira. I don't know how many it comes in. Maybe 100, maybe 50. I didn't count. But this is just how I'm going to fill this up so that, like, I just want to do something that will be a bit neat so that the entire nylon will not be beans. You know what I mean now. So I'm just going to use my cup to fill this. It's very easy. It works very well. So now, if you're selling this, you want to measure. Okay, so if you're collecting two of these cup, you know that you're putting in 2 cups in each of your nylon. If you're not selling, you can actually measure as anyhow you want to do it. Okay, like this particular one now is not for sale. It is, or rather it is for home use. So I didn't really follow the measurements. For some I was adding 3, for some I was adding 2, just like that. Now after adding, I'm going to just tie this up. Now while tying, you want to ensure that you keep, like, just leave small space because the mama is going to rise. Okay, you can leave big space. Leave big space. Don't do what I did in this particular one. Okay, and the rest of it I didn't do it like this. Like, I had to keep enough space for the moi to rise because definitely these beans rises. So this is it. So now after wrapping, I just had to put them inside the water, and this is what I have after some time. This is my moi boiling. This is my memory cooking up, and it was actually fun. I ended up having about, I think, 23, yeah, 23 pieces of moi. It was huge. So just look at what I have here. I told you to rise, right? Look at what I have here. Like, the moimo is just so good, looks so good, big, and the color is just perfect. That is because of the tatashi that I added. So if you want this color for your moimo, make sure you add tatashi to your sauce. Okay, your pepper mix, make sure you add tatashi to it. That's the secret. It's not the tomato, because the tomato is not even much. So make sure you add that long pepper. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I mean, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also, feel free to share this video on Facebook and other platforms. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.